for a band today. I see the shivers anyway through my eyes. Oh, 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 I'm alone in life to say I love the shivers anyway, 'cause shivers look divine. Try to find the Milky Way. They love to drink it every day. No, 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 you and I, it's like you say, I'm not a shivers anyway. You will find, oh, 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 I'm alone in life to say I love the shivers anyway, 'cause shivers look divine. Look away. They try to find the Milky Way. I'm all alone in life to say I love the shivers anyway in your eyes. Oh, 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 I'm looking for a band today. I see the shivers anyway through my mind.
Thank you so much. Next up is my beautiful wife, Árný Fjóla. She's gonna, this is Árný's comment corner, and it goes a little something like this.
Já, góða kvöldið, good evening Europe. Við erum hérna frá Berlín og vissulega eru líka heilmargir Íslendingar að horfa. Ég var að fá skilaboð að það séu líklega 50 til 100.000 Íslendingar að horfa og á YouTube eru cirka 3.000. So we are also streaming from the Icelandic television. And yeah, there were some people asking on YouTube. But people on YouTube are commenting so much. Það svo mikið að kommentum á YouTube, það flæðir inn greetings and happy words. And I would like to say there are some people, thank you for the fan video. Við vorum að gera svona, hvað segir maður, svona vídeo þar sem er klift saman allir svona, sem voru að gera dansinn fyrir okkur og þannig var svona saman klift skemmtilegt vídeo. Sumir segja að íslenska útgáfan af laginu þínu í ár sé betri. Some people say the Icelandic version of this year's song would be better than the English one. And we have people from so many countries. We have people from Nigeria, Ireland, Germany, Suomi, Scotland, California, Estonia, Russia, South Africa, Austria, Mexico, and Iceland, and probably many more watching right now. So thank you so much. Já, svo mörg lönd að horfa. Alveg, það koma inn komment frá öllum heimshornum, allt frá Nígeríu til Mexíkó og Skotland og Þýskaland og mikið af kommentum frá Rússlandi. Það einhver sem að spyr Daði, someone is asking, how tall are you? Hversu stór ertu?
I am 2 meters and 8 centimeters tall.
And we have a comment from Danny Mitchell. He said, coronavirus got jealous of this man singing, so that's the reason it cancelled Eurovision. Daniel, hann segir að korona hafi verið svo afbrýðisöm út í Daða að syngja, svo þess vegna hafi þeir hætt við Eurovision. And there's a challenge here. Singing Think About Things in Danish. Getur þú sungið Think About Things á dönsku? All right. þá ætla ég bara að láta mig hverfa og við viljum fá meiri músík. More music coming up.
Thank you so much, wife. That was my wife, Árný Fjóla. Þetta var kona mín, Árný Fjóla. I really think that we need her to say Iceland's points in Eurovision at some point. Yes. Þeir eru aðeinslega. Ég ætla að spila meiri músík. The next song is a Icelandic one, but it's not in Icelandic. Go some.